Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make low-calorie egg salad. To begin, focus on replacing high-fat ingredients with healthier alternatives. This simple change significantly reduces the overall calorie count without sacrificing flavor. We will also explore how adding crisp, fresh vegetables can boost both the nutritional value and the volume of your salad, making it more satisfying. Get ready to transform a classic into a guilt-free delight. For a truly low-calorie egg salad, the key is smart substitutions. Instead of traditional mayonnaise, opt for plain Greek yogurt, which offers a creamy texture with significantly fewer calories and more protein. Another excellent choice is mashed avocado, providing healthy fats and a rich flavor. Enhance your salad with finely diced vegetables like celery, red onion, and colorful bell peppers for added crunch and nutrients. Season generously with Dijon mustard, a dash of paprika, salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Once your eggs are perfectly hard-boiled and cooled, it is time to assemble. Carefully peel 6 large eggs and chop them into small, consistent pieces. In a medium bowl, gently combine the chopped eggs with about 1/4 cup of your chosen low-calorie binder, such as Greek yogurt. Next, fold in 2 tablespoons of your finely diced celery, onion, and bell peppers. Mix everything until just combined, being careful not to overmix, which can make the salad watery. Now for the best part, enjoying your delicious, low-calorie egg salad. This versatile dish can be served in many healthy ways. Try scooping it into crisp lettuce cups for a refreshing, carb-conscious option. It also makes a fantastic, protein-packed filling for whole wheat pita bread or a light sandwich. For an extra burst of flavor, garnish with fresh herbs such as chopped dill or chives. Each serving is a satisfying meal, typically under 200 calories. Proving healthy can be incredibly tasty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.